Hi, welcome back to the EaseUS channel. Tired of seeing that annoying GeForce experience error code 0x0003? The dreaded gremlin that loves to crash your GeForce experience. But fear not, gamers. Today, we'll turn this nightmare into a speed run. Let's dive into 6 simple ways to fix this problem and get back to gaming greatness. First up, let's hit the restart button. If Nvidia services are napping, wake them up. Hit Win+R, write down services.msc. Find the one starting with Nvidia, right-click, and hit Restart. It's like giving them a little coffee break. Next, driver updates. Like an NPC that needs constant training, your drivers might be out of shape. Open Device Manager, right-click on your Nvidia GPU, and select Update Driver. Give them that XP boost. Telemetry. Sounds fancy, right? But this feature just needs to interact with your desktop. Go back to services.msc, find Nvidia Telemetry Service, hit Properties, and check Allow Service to interact with desktop. It's like opening a door for a friend. Sometimes, you need a fresh start. Uninstall and reinstall Nvidia components. Yes, a complete makeover. Head to Programs and Features and uninstall everything Nvidia. Then, download fresh versions from their website. New and shiny. Network problems? No problem. Open Command Prompt and type netwinsock reset. Boom. It's like resetting your Wi-Fi router, but cooler. Restart your PC, and your network's ready to roll. Finally, sweep out those temporary files. Open the run box, type temp, and delete everything in sight. No one likes clutter, not even your PC. Think of it as taking out the trash. Your GeForce experience will thank you. And there you have it. 6 easy fixes for error code 0x0003. If all else fails, remember to breathe deeply and call it a quest for another day. Hit that like button if this video helped you out, and may your frames always be high and your errors low.